Hi guys, Jenny here with WTI. And if you're like me and you're always looking for off-screen activities for your kids, this is a great one. This is made by Melissa and Doug, and it's a super fun and creative activity for your kids, especially if you spend time outdoors. So what you want to do is you want to have your kids find the place where they are at the moment, either the backyard or a campsite, the beach, a playground. And once they do that, then they can find 4 things that line up for a bingo pretty much. It's wonderful that you get 2 markers in this set, and then you also get erasers at the end of them. So in that way you can keep on reusing these boards over and over again. I also like that each pad has different activities on the opposite side, either coloring or finding the differences. So many different activities for your kids. So a couple of extra things that it comes with is this one collectible medallion, and it also has this handy little bag. In that way you can keep everything in one place. So if you're looking for new ways to keep your kids entertained, this is a great way of doing it, especially on long car rides. You are not going to regret it, and that is my point of view.